to customize Control Center on iPhone or iPad. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, simply slide down the Control Center from the top right corner of your screen. Now all you have to do is long press on the blank space and you will get to see minus icon available at the all options there. Now what you have to do is tap on the minus icon in order to remove some control center. So now once removed, tap on the plus icon available at the bottom. Now scroll down and look for the option you want to add in your control center. You can also tap on the search address bar and search for one and simply tap on it. Now once you tap on it, it will be added to your control center. So here let's simply add any for an example. Here I am tapping on the quick notes option available here. And it will be shown on your control center. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.